is nice and awesome. Number 5, which is 25%, which gives you $506.87. This is for your investment section. The confusing part that everybody starting out would have no idea. I have no idea back then too. So this amount would be saved eventually. Let me give you a small tip. If you have absolutely no idea, keep this in your bank to earn interest. It may be small, but hey, better than nothing, isn't it? However, if you really want to start something, let me give you my 2 cents. Start with an industry that you already know very well. I mean really well. You must know so well that you know who are the big players in the industry and who and what factors that can affect the industry in a big way at any time. So much so that before there is a big event happening, you can smell it a mile away before you hear about it. You can also use this section for your health insurance as well. Why not? It's an investment in your health. Trust me, you don't want to pay $7,900 plus for a dislocated toe out of your own pocket, don't you? So these are the examples in the following. FSM1, Fund Supermart, which is an e-commerce sort of like stock exchange online. This I'll put $300. My health insurance, $173.42 per month. Health insurance can also come in annual packages. Take note of that and make adjustments here suited for this calculation. You will get a balance of $33.40 plus cents. Let's see what's the total amount of savings after all this expense. This is the savings breakdown as follows. $183.35, $205.50, $220.47, $202.75, $33.45. You get a total savings of $845.52. Hey, not too bad, huh? Yes, it is little, but this is the reality. You should always go for higher pay. It can be done by showing results every year to your boss. Then they will be able to justify higher pay for you. Treat this as a form of push for you to get more money. The key lesson in such division is to maximize the effort on the money earned to give yourself the needed opportunities in life to become better and wholesome. So Li Ka-shing's idea on increasing one's war chest or cash surplus is to be thrifty when spending money and be patient. For example, spending money on selective clothes that show class, eat less outside, and spend less on shoes and material goods. Instead, buy gifts for loved ones. His idea is when you're poor, mix around more and get to more people, wiser, richer, or people who had helped you before. When you become rich, it's time to take care of yourself instead. Seek out what are the shortfalls you have during work. Use that as a base point to seek out the best fit course that can help you to excel in that area. I will link some of the articles below in the description. You may be interested to know more about how Mr. Li Ka-shing does with money. Moreover, I will also link some YouTube links from Real Men Real Style below to teach you on how to buy nice clothes to show class on yourself. For ladies, I will also link some useful YouTube links below that you may enjoy. Otherwise, to wrap up this video, you can use ChatGPT and type in the following prompts. What is Li Ka-shing's wisdom on money? His 5-year plan. What are the 5 money-saving habits that Li Ka-shing has? Or, what is Li Ka-shing's wisdom on money, his 5-year plan? To end this note, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up in the thumb icon below. Bye!